तो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम सारू। मेरा नाम है विपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है So friends, like always, I have again came up with a new property option in Gurgaon for all of you, and this time the property option which I will be going to share with you is in Gurgaon Palam Vihar. So let's go to Palam Vihar E block and check out that property. So let's go. So my friends, today we are in Palam Vihar Block E, and this is the property which we are going to explore today. And out of these 4 floors, 2 floors are already sold and only 2 units are left, which are these first and second floor. And friends, as you can see that this property being L corner gives you an advantage of having 3-sided balcony at front, at back and on this side. And it means that your floor will going to remain 3-sided open, and it clearly means great source of ventilation as well as great source of natural light to come inside the house. And before moving inside and exploring each and every corner of that property, let me tell you that this place where I'm standing at this moment is very near to Palam Vyapar Kendra, which is the biggest market in this area. Palam Vihar and Gurgaon Sector 23, it is the biggest market of this area, and it is almost footsteps away in this direction. Besides market, it is also very near to Columbia Asia hospitals and is surrounded by reputed schools. And friends, now is the time to go inside the property and check each and every corner of it. So let's go, starting with the third floor. So friends, this being the main entrance, provided with these SS304 steel gates. Moving inside, take us to this third floor. So friends, while we step inside the premises, the first floor which we are going to explore is the third floor. As you can see here, these separate water tanks are provided for each floors, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are total 4 numbers of floor, and the 4 separate water tanks are provided, and same is the electric motor connections. All are separated, as you can see. And this is the look of third floor of this property. As you can see, it is provided with a garden lawn at that end. And here builder on this third floor, builder has promised 2 car parking space for each flat owner, and currently this third floor is being the living space for the caretaker of this property, so I don't want to hinder their privacy. So moving on from this third floor to the first floor, which we are going to explore. So let's go on the first floor of this property, and as you can see here, the lift work is still going on. Again, here also this landing doors have been placed, and the car work is still going on. And I had words with the builder. He is going to install the lift of Johnson make. As you can see here, a notice is also placed related to these Johnson lifts. So the lift work is still going on. So let's take this staircase to the first floor and explore the layout of this first floor of this property. Let's go. So friends, this being the main entrance to the floor which we are going to explore in this property. As you can see, it is provided with this 8 feet tall, nicely designed wooden door, and behind this is our 4 BHK apartment which we are going to explore. So let's go inside and explore each and every corner of that. So friends, after entering the main entrance of this floor, this being the drawing room, provided with this beautiful design of false ceiling, as you can see, and with lots and lots of lights. This is the look of flooring of this entire area. It is provided with this TV console, and the best part about it is that it is provided with a balcony, which is the side balcony which we have viewed while we were standing outside. So let's explore that also. It is provided, as you can see, it is provided with this UPVC toughened glass doors, and also is paired with this wire mesh door, which is much required to prevent mosquitoes from entering your house. So Such kind of opening provided in the drawing room enhances its beauty. And this is the outer look from the side balcony, which we have viewed standing at that corner. And this being the side balcony, as you can see, provided with SS steel railing and toughened glass protection. So moving inside from this balcony to the drawing room, this is the drawing room, and that portion being the dining space. That being the dining space, and currently I am standing at the drawing room of this floor. So friends, now moving on from this drawing cum dining room area to the kitchen, which is the most important part of any house. So this being the main entrance to the floor, as you can see, and adjacent to it is the entrance to the kitchen of this floor. So moving inside, this is the kitchen of the floor, provided again with same type of flooring which we have experienced in that drawing and dining room area. And this is the type of false ceiling design provided in this kitchen, and the kitchen of this floor is modular designed, as you can see. It is provided with this nicely done woodwork. A provision is left over here to install a chimney. As you can see, this is the woodwork provided, and here this toughened glass window opening is provided, which certainly ensures natural light and natural air to come inside this kitchen area. And it is also paired with this wire mesh panel, which is much required. As I've told you, the reason for that you already know, to prevent mosquitoes from entering your house. And similarly, this is the space provided over here to install your RO and an instant geyser. Moving ahead, some more cabinets provided, as you can see, nicely done woodwork. And this is the marble slab provided over here in this kitchen, and this being the dishwashing area. So now friends, without wasting any time, let's quickly explore the wooden work provided beneath this slab. And starting with this storage space provided over here. Moving ahead, these are the drawers provided with the sections to place your cutlery. Moving further, these big gigantic drawers, same is provided here also. Moving ahead, here this special section is provided to keep your kitchen grocery, which can be pulled outside like this, and it is really smooth in operation, as you can see. Moving ahead, this being the bin section area, some more space, some more drawers, look at these big gigantic drawers, very smooth in operation, as you can see. And from this, moving ahead, this being the rack section provided over here to accommodate your crockery or any kind of other stuff related to kitchen, as you can see. So now moving ahead, this is the section where you can have your microwave oven placed. Beneath that, these baskets are provided to place your veggies like potatoes and onions, which can also be slided out and in, as you can see. So with this, friends, I have completed the kitchen of this floor, and now moving outside this kitchen, let's start exploring the bedrooms first. And I'm going to start the exploration of these bedrooms from this master bedroom. So let's go inside and check out the master bedroom first. So friends, this being the entrance to the master bedroom of the floor, and this is the master bedroom, which is provided with this wooden tiles. Don't be concerned about the marks which has been left on the floor. It will get cleaned because the work is still going on. As you can see, the moment the floor will be sold, it will be cleaned and it will be delivered to you in a very proper and neat condition. This is the design of false ceiling in the master bedroom, and this being the TV console design provided in this master bedroom. And that being the UPVC toughened glass door opening provided, which will lead us to the backside balcony. So before exploring that backside balcony, let's explore the wardrobe provided in this master bedroom. This being the wardrobe provided in this master bedroom. So moving ahead, let's explore the space provided in these cupboards. Wow, and friends, here as you can see, the space provided in these cupboards are really huge. And not only this, there is one more panel which is still required to be opened, and let's explore this also. And beneath this section there are these drawers provided to keep your stuff like shoes, socks, or means smaller clothes. You can have it over here. So these are the drawers provided. 3 drawers are provided over here. And my friends, from this wardrobe section in the master bedroom, turning my camera towards right, this is the attached washroom to this master bedroom, and let's go inside and explore this washroom also. So this being the attached washroom to the master bedroom, provided with all jacquard fittings as you can see, and is provided with these cabinets to accommodate your toiletries with anti-skid flooring and nice shade of tiles provided over here. So this being the attached washroom to this master bedroom. Now moving out of this washroom and stepping into this master bedroom. Now let's move out of this master bedroom and explore the backside balcony of this floor. This being the backside balcony. Wow, it's so big, so wide, so huge, and is surrounded by lush green trees as you can see. So this being the size of the balcony, backside balcony, which we are exploring at this moment. From this backside balcony, let's explore the other bedroom of this floor. So moving inside from this door, toughened glass door, from this backside balcony, to the another bedroom of this floor, and this is the second bedroom of this floor, guys. Friends, the size of this bedroom is very much similar to what we have experienced in the master bedroom. So these two bedrooms are almost same in size, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this bedroom. Let me take a step back and let me show you the design of false ceiling. This is the opening to the backside balcony, which we have already explored. So this being the second bedroom of the house and of the floor. So moving ahead, this is the wardrobe provided in this room, which is also equal in size as we have explored in the master bedroom, but let me explore this one also just for you guys. So this is the space, as I have already told you, it is equal in size of what we have explored in the master bedroom, and same are the 3 drawers provided over here to keep your stuff like shoes, socks, or smaller stuff like handkerchief. And this is another panel. So this is the wardrobe of second bedroom, and now from here, turning my camera to the left, is the attached washroom. So let's go inside and explore this one also. So this being the attached washroom to this bedroom, and it is provided with this light gray tiles, and again the anti-skid flooring provided over here, jacquard fittings, cabinets provided to keep your toiletries, and this is the layout of the washroom attached to this second bedroom. So moving out of this washroom now, guys, let me take you to the other 2 bedrooms of the floor. So starting with this bedroom. So friends, stepping inside this bedroom, you will experience that similar is the type of flooring provided over here, which we have experienced in the second bedroom, and this is the design of false ceiling provided over here. And friends, in this bedroom, apart from having this toughened glass door opening to the front side balcony, this bedroom is also provided with these 2 window panes, which certainly increases the amount of natural light entering this bedroom. So friends, this being the 3rd bedroom, and this is the size of wardrobe provided in this room. Now let's explore the space provided in these wardrobes. One thing which I have seen different from the wardrobes which I have experienced before in the other 2 bedrooms is that it is not provided with the drawers beneath. In fact, it is provided with 2 additional cupboards at the top. So let's open this also and let me show you the space provided in this wardrobe. And this is another part of the wardrobe provided in this bedroom. So friends, this is the size of wardrobe provided in this bedroom. It is really huge in size. So this being the wardrobe of this bedroom, and now turning my camera towards my left, brings us to the attached washroom with this bedroom. So now let's go inside and explore this also. So friends, similar to the tiles which we have experienced in the washroom attached to the 2nd bedroom, the same is provided here also. This light grey colored tiles with all jacquard fittings, cabinet provided to keep your toiletries, and anti-skid flooring. So with this friends, I have completed this attached washroom to the 3rd bedroom also. And now moving out of this washroom area, and let's explore the front side balcony, and stepping inside the front side balcony of the floor. This is the view from the front side balcony, and this is the size of balcony. And in this front side balcony, this SS304 steel railing is provided with toughened glass protection, as you can see. So this being our front side balcony, this particular balcony can be accessed from the 4th bedroom of this floor also. So let's enter and explore the 4th bedroom also. So friends, this 4th bedroom is also provided with this beautiful tile work, and this is the design of false ceiling, as you can see. And these are the wardrobes provided in this 4th bedroom, the size of which is very much similar to what we have experienced in the 3rd bedroom. So just for you, let's explore the space behind these panels. So friends, this is the size of wardrobe provided in this room, 4th bedroom. So friends, this being the wardrobe provided in this 4th bedroom, and now turning my camera to my right, this being the attached washroom to the 4th bedroom of the floor. And now let's go inside and explore this one also. The shades of tile provided in this washroom is very much similar to what we have experienced in the washroom attached to the master bedroom, provided with this anti-skid flooring and jacquard fittings, and space is provided to keep your toiletries also. So friends, with this I have completed each and the entire corner of this particular floor, and I hope you like the layout of the floor which I have just shared with you. If yes, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And moving ahead and talking about the price of this particular floor, the demand for this 4 BHK floor in Palam Vihar Block E is 2 crores, which is negotiable, and for that you need to contact Mr. Gaurav Taneja. The contact info of whose is flashing on the screen, and since there are only 2 units left, so don't waste time and call him ASAP. And with this, I Bipin Pal Singh signing off for today, with a promise to meet you again with a new property option and a new video. Goodbye.